Winter is here, and for most cleaning companies, that means a lighter cleaning schedule, stressed cash flow, and a lot of praying for spring to show up soon. But it doesn't have to be that way. See, most cleaning companies struggle because they don't have a good marketing strategy. So I built the Winter Marketing Toolkit to do one thing: help you stay busier in January and February. There's no advertising needed, no guesswork, just proven strategies that I've used in my own cleaning company, sometimes to have the busiest month of the year in February. And many of my coaching clients have used these strategies, sometimes to get 1,000% or better returns on their investment. So this gives you everything you need to book more work during the slowest months of the year. And when you stay busy in winter, everything changes. Your technicians stay working. You don't have to lay them off. Your income becomes more predictable. Your company brand becomes more valuable, and your cash flow frees up. And of course, with all of that, your stress level drops dramatically. So inside the Winter Marketing Toolkit, you're going to get clear winter strategies that work. You're going to get templates that you can copy and swipe. You'll get a 30-day action plan to implement all of this. Plus, you'll get live implementation support Zoom calls from me to be able to make sure all your questions are answered. This is not theory. It's a proven actual system that's worked for hundreds of cleaning companies. Check out all the details and sign up right below this video. If you struggle in winter, you need a plan to help you stay busy.